Hi, I am Ayush Panchal, and this is VEDA, the virtual educational dynamic assistant. Most AI tutor today are static, whether you are 5th grade learning friction or a PhD student learning quantum physics. You get the same text box, but VEDA changes it. Not just a chat box, it's a generative learning environment that physically morphs its interface to match your learning style. First, VEDA has a soul. It remembers who you are. Have a look at this. Right, and 5th grade. Explain probability. A B C student explain probability. The second feature of Veda is the body. If I ask for the code, Veda doesn't just print the text, it builds a lab. The third feature of the Veda is the eyes. For the visual learner like me, Veda becomes an illustrator. If I ask for a diagram, it generates one instantly. Yeah, right corner. Uh, 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 yes. The brain and the conclusion of Vedas is under the hood. This is a hierarchical multi-agent system powered by Google's Gemini 2.5 Flask. A coordinator agent manages specialized for code, research, and art, ensuring expert response every time. Veda proves that the future of education isn't one size fits all. It's adaptive. So why does this Veda matters? Veda stops the hustle of jumping between different websites. Instead of using separate tools for chatting, coding, and images, Veda brings them all together in one place. This helps anyone learn difficult topics like physics and computer science easily. It makes high quality education available to everyone. Thank you for your time and attention.